Hello everyone. Welcome to this course of animation. Today in this session we will learn the blocking process inside my application. So at first I will just open few of my references to show you that whatever I want to just create into Maya. So at first, as you can see, we will just do this walk cycle inside my application. So I have just references, so we have both the feminine and the male and different type of other references of the walk cycle. So it depends, that means expression is also matters, that how you can just put the walk cycle and you just create some character and just put it the walk cycle through animation. So it really matters. So I have different uh, walk cycle. As you can see, we have all the references of walk cycle. So like this way you can just select any of them uh, and just do one thing. So this is generic and the another one is feminine. So like this way I will cut this off and just put it this thing. So I will just go to open and just play. As you can see, we have measurable walk cycle also of a particular dummy character. As you can see, this is a dummy character, and also we have one more reference. As I suppose we have this one strongman walk cycle. So your pose, your character, your physique is also depends upon the walk cycle. That means it whenever you are doing some character animation, you have to just think about its pose, the character structure and all. So I have this PDF which defines the particular walk cycle and how much angles and how much retardation value you can put into your model so that it will look so much of natural also. So this book I have for the reference purpose. As you can see, we have many more walk cycles here, and each and every process has been defined correctly. As you can see, this part has the back leg which is just highlighted at the darker, and this part has the white leg which is just highlighted at the white. That means the black part which is just below that and that character, and this white part is just front of that character. Like this way it's depends. And also in between them there are many more actions. So if you just give the details, as you can see, this red part which is just between them, and also we have many more yeah, this part is blank and this part is been filled into the down. So is if you just add extra references into your walk cycle, it will just look so much of natural. So as you can see here, we have added lots of more references, and also when you just play, it will just form a smooth animation, because as much as references you put, it will look so much of natural. So this is the contrast, and this is the contact down, and all those things which comes across here. So it's really matter that how much reference you want to put into your model. And now what I will do, I will have this character. So this is a character which I have downloaded, and so I will just take the character reference and I will just put this into Maya so that we had a good animation. So I have my binary file, and after that I will just open the Maya and just import the character, the downloaded character. So reference editor is important. If you just import some characters, you have to just put it into the reference editor. And also, as you can see, the character has been updated into your reference editor, and as you can see, the arrow of my window has been processing, and we'll just cut this off. And here we have the character. All the parts has been leveled equally, and also we have the controllers and all, which is by default created by the artist. And we have to just do the blocking in this character. At first I will just tell you how you can just block. You can select any of the file, any of the you can just go to the attribute or channel box. You just find all the things which is just put it over there at the right side of your screen. As I am rotating, you can see it's rotating quite well. And also if you select any of the controllers, it has sub panels which is just present inside the channel box and attribute editor. So like this way you can just manipulate your character and can have a good animation. If you are a rigger, you have to just put this controller into the character, and if you are an animator, that means you will get a rigged and modeled character. You have to just animate it accordingly. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the parts which is leveled quite well, and also naming is very important. If you're just working in any of the file, you have to just put proper name so that your file will not be messed up with any other files. And if you know the naming convention well, you can work easily. So that's very important to have naming convention. So here we have the coast region which you can manipulate. As you can see, we have sub bones inside, which is only a particular joint. So you can just put that joint and also just work for the same. So like this way, and you can just check it if it's working quite well or not. The skinning is done quite well, and as you can see, the character is not stretching so much. That means skinning is done quite well. And also we have some dummy controllers which can't be rotated. As you can see, we have the FK-IK switching, so you can switch it in between them. And as you can see, uh, just moving along this axis, and it's working quite well. So this is basically FK and IK, inverse kinematics and forward kinematics switching. So that can't be rotated. You can just move it. Okay, we have leg controllers, and also we have the large white region, which is the main controller of whole model. So we have sub controllers. You can see the hand is fixed, and this white controller is depends it's basically for the whole character. We have subdummy for foot animation and all. To have a detailed animation, you have to put many more controllers in a model. As you can see, the hand is fixed because it's an IKFK switch, and whole body is moving, but that leg is not, because it's also switched to its mean position. Okay, if you put some default value, directly it will come to its mean position. That means its rest position. Before animation, you have to just put freeze transformation so that all the values gets lost, and you can start from fresh. So I will just put 0, and okay, so one by one I just put 0, and we'll work for the same, because in this session we will learn how you can just block a particular character for walk cycle. So like this way. Okay, uh, this part is not been movable. That means it can't be moved. This part can be movable, and that means you can have to switch from IK to FK. So, okay, so I'm doing to 0, no problem. And this is the face region, and this is for eye, basically for eye. This is for whole body. I just deselected it, and whatever you wanna create, it's all came into the channel box. That means you can just manipulate each and everything into the channel box layer editor as per your need. So here we have the different controller, which is local vision of here controllers and all. So at first I will just opt all those things. We'll discuss in details later words. And also, as you can see, the eye is closed, and so cut.